G-Restore is our signature facial rejuvenation procedure developed over 2 decades of experience in facial aesthetics. It's the culmination of everything learned about restoring youthful facial anatomy safely, artfully, and naturally. What sets G-Restore apart is its comprehensive approach. It's not just a facelift, it's a customized procedure that combines deep plane lifting, smash reshaping, and targeted fat grafting to restore volume and structure where it's been lost over time. Every face ages differently, and every face requires a very unique approach. My goal with G-Restore is to harmonize your features, not change them. We also integrate your surgical plan with a personalized skincare regimen at one of our MD Skin locations. This supports long-term results and ensures your skin quality matches your rejuvenated contours. G-Restore is ideal for patients looking for a refined, long-lasting result without looking overdone. It's a modern solution to achieve a natural outcome. I believe in enhancing beauty that's already there, and with G-Restore, we're helping you look as good as you feel.